LY-80 is a medium-range SAM system designed to counter modern aerial threats, including combat aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. It provides an interception envelope of around 40 kilometers in range and up to 18 kilometers in altitude, giving Pakistan a layered air defense capability that complements its shorter-range systems like the FM-90, Chinese HQ-7 derivative, and longer-range coverage provided by fighters such as the JF-17 and J-10C. A standard LY-80 battery includes fire control radar, IBIS 153D radar, capable of tracking up to 40 targets simultaneously. Launcher vehicles, usually 6 per battery, each carrying 6 ready-to-fire missiles. Command and support vehicles for mobility and coordination. The system is road mobile, which makes it flexible for deployment around sensitive locations such as major cities, critical military bases, and strategic assets. Why Pakistan chose the LY-80? Pakistan sought the LY-80 to fill the gap between short-range point defense missiles and high-end fighter aircraft interceptors. Key reasons include cost-effectiveness compared to Western systems like the Patriot, political reliability of Chinese supply compared to Western sanctions risks, interoperability with other Chinese origin equipment in Pakistan's inventory. The LY-80 gives Pakistan a credible shield against precision airstrikes and standoff munitions, particularly important given the Indian Air Force's modern assets like the Rafale. Difference from HQ-16 land and naval versions. The HQ-16 family exists in both land-based and shipborne variants. Pakistan has only fielded the export land-based LY-80. The naval HQ-16 is deployed on Chinese Type 054A frigates, of which Pakistan is acquiring 4 as Type 054A/P, but those ships use the vertical launch HQ-16 rather than the truck-mounted LY-80. There's no evidence that Pakistan has received the longer-range HQ-16B or HQ-16FE variants, up to 70 to 120 kilometers range. Strategic impact. By deploying the LY-80, Pakistan has created a layered, mobile air defense umbrella capable of denying enemy aircraft easy access to its airspace at low and medium altitudes. Combined with its expanding fighter fleet and upcoming Type 054A/P frigates, Pakistan is steadily building a more integrated air defense network. However, the system's range is still limited compared to long-range SAMs like the Russian S-300/400, so its main role is to strengthen regional air denial rather than create a full national shield.